Hey everyone, welcome back. So, lately I've been seeing this hack everywhere. People saying you can get unlimited diamonds and coins in merge cooking just using your phone. No computer, no complicated steps. At first, I wasn't really sure about it. It sounded a bit too good to be true, but I decided to try it myself and see what actually happens. In this video, I'll walk you through everything I did step by step, and at the end, we'll check the results together. First, you'll need your player ID. You can usually find it in your profile or somewhere in the settings. For me, it only took a few seconds to locate. Once I had it, I copied it and saved it so I could use it later. Pretty simple step. Nothing complicated here. Next, I opened up a browser on my phone. I'm using Chrome, but honestly, any browser should work. I searched for the site everyone was talking about. When it loaded, I didn't get any weird pop-ups or redirects. The page actually looked clean and normal, which I didn't really expect. Once I got onto the site, I used the search bar to find the Merge Cooking Diamonds and Coins hack option. After that, it asked me to choose my device. I'm on Android, but there was an iOS option too. Then I entered my player ID, took a second to make sure everything was correct, and tapped Continue. Next, it asked me how many diamonds and coins I wanted. Since I was just testing it out, I picked the highest amount to see what would happen. After I confirmed, a few loading bars showed up, like it was working through everything step by step. It actually showed what was going on, so it was easy to follow. Right before finishing, there was a quick verification step. The instructions were simple and didn't take long. I already did that part earlier, so let's skip ahead and see the results. To see if it actually worked, I went back into Merge Cooking and checked my diamonds and coins. And yeah, they were there. No restarting the game, no waiting around. Everything showed up instantly, which was honestly surprising. Let me know in the comments if you've tried something like this before and how it went for you. If you found this helpful, leave a like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. See you in the next one.